If you want to add a table in Elementor, the easiest and most efficient way is to use the Essential Addons for Elementor plugin, because Elementor does not include a native table widget by default. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the full process step by step so you can create a clean professional table inside your WordPress page without any coding. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Elementor tutorials just like this. Let's jump in. First, we need to install the right plugin. Inside your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, then click Add New. In the search bar, type Essential Addons for Elementor. Once it appears, click Install, and after that, click Activate. This plugin adds extra widgets to Elementor, including the datatable widget we need for this tutorial. Once the plugin is activated, look at the left sidebar in WordPress and click Essential Addons. This will open the settings area for the plugin. From here, go to the Elements tab. You'll see a list of widgets and features that you can enable or disable. If you want the easiest setup, turn on Enable All Elements. If you prefer to keep things lightweight, you can simply enable the datatable element only. After that, don't forget to click Save Settings. This step is important because it makes sure the widget is available inside Elementor. Now, it's time to build the table. Open the page or post where you want the table to appear and launch the Elementor editor. In the editor, find the area where you want your table to go. Click the plus icon to add a new section or container. This gives you a place to drop in your table widget. On the left side, use the widget search bar and type datatable. You should see the EA datatable widget appear in the results. Click and drag that widget into your container. As soon as you drop it in, Elementor will load the table editor so you can start customizing the content. Now let's configure the table. In the Content tab, start with the header section. This is where you add the column headings for your table. Click Add Item to create a new header cell. Then type in the label you want, such as name, price, features, or any other heading your table needs. If you already have a header item, you can click on it to edit the text. If you need to remove one, just click the shift. This makes it easy to build the exact structure you want. Next, move down to the content section, which is right below the header controls. This is where you add the actual rows and cell data for your table. Click Add Item to insert new rows or entries, then fill in the information for each row. You can click directly on any item to edit it, or click the X if you want to delete it. If you already created one row and want another similar row, use the duplicate button. That's a huge time saver, especially if you're building a table with repeated formatting. As you keep adding your content, take a moment to make sure your table is organized and easy to read. A good table should be simple, clear, and structured in a way that helps visitors quickly understand the information. If your table is for pricing, comparison, product details, schedules, or features, make sure each column stays consistent across the rows. After the content is in place, it's time to style the table so it matches your website. Go to the Style tab in the Elementor panel. Here you can adjust the overall layout of the table, including the width and alignment. This helps you control how the table fits inside the page and whether it looks centered, full width, or compact. You'll also find detailed styling options for the header style, content style, and responsive options. In the header style section, you can change things like background color, text color, font size, and typography. In the content style section, you can fine-tune the row colors, spacing, borders, and text appearance. And in the responsive options, you can decide how the table behaves on mobile devices, which is really important because tables can sometimes look crowded on smaller screens. Spend a little time adjusting the design so your table is both attractive and easy to read. The goal is to make it look professional on desktop and still usable on tablet and mobile. A well-styled table can make your content much more useful and improve the overall look of your page. Once everything looks good, go to the top right corner of Elementor and click Update or Publish to save your changes. And that's it. You've successfully added a table in Elementor using Essential Addons. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more WordPress and Elementor step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.